My name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be dividing the function f of x by x minus 2, and I for sure want to identify the remainder. Now, I'm going to use old school long division because I have some other videos on synthetic division. If you would like to take a look at those, I'll be sure and link them in the cards above. But for this one, I'm doing a long division, and so very familiar using that old division house that you may have used when you were younger. So I have put the divisor on the outside of the house. I have put all the terms for the dividend underneath the house. And you'll notice I made sure that the powers were in descending order. That's important. So now we ask ourselves, okay, what times x would give me 2x to the third? Let me say that again. What times x would give me 2x to the third? That would be 2x to the second. And you'll notice I wrote it above the x to the second term. Now I'm ready to multiply. So 2x to the second times x gives me 2x to the third. 2x to the second times negative 2 gives me negative 4x to the second. And you'll notice again, I lined those up so that I can actually use like terms. Now with division, we subtract here. However, in algebra, subtraction's a little bit confusing. So what I like to do is change that to addition. And I change the sign of both of the terms. So this becomes a negative and this becomes a plus. I circle them in my work just so I know that I actually change those signs. Now we add 2x to the third plus negative 2x to the third. Those go away. Negative 4x to the second plus 4x to the second goes away. We got nothing. Now we bring down. So I'm going to bring down the 5x. And I'm going to bring down the negative 7. The reason I'm bringing both down is because out here are two terms. So in order to do my division next step, I need two terms down there. So I brought down both of them. All right, now let's ask ourselves, what times x would give me 5x? That would be 5. And so again, I'm lining it up over the term without a variable. So 5 times x gives me 5x. 5 times negative 2 gives me negative 10. Again, with division, we subtract, but in algebra, that's easier if we add and change the signs. Be sure and change the signs of both numbers. So now we can add 5x plus negative 5x cancels. Negative 7 plus 10 gives me 3. And this 3 is my remainder. I know it's my remainder because the 3 has a smaller power than the x does. Okay, so my remainder here is 3. And then if we answer question B, is x a factor of f of x? The answer is no. And the reason is because the remainder, and I'm just abbreviating here, does not equal 0. If the remainder equals 0, then that x minus 2 would have been a factor of f of x. If it's anything other than 0, then it's not a factor. All right, friends, hope this helps you with your long division. Bye.